This dance is called Bed on Fire. Choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 48 count, 2-wall, high intermediate level line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, cross rock, recover side, cross rock, recover side, touch side, behind, quarter right, forward facing 3, step forward, pivot half turn to your right facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, quarter to your right, ball cross facing 12, quarter to your left to 9 o'clock, forward, forward, quarter to your left, cross rock, recover facing 6, side, touch, slide, hitch, cross, unwind, foot to your left, sweep your left, behind side. Section 3, diamond quarter to your right, 1/8 and right, forward, forward facing 7:30, 1/8 to your right, side, 1/8 to your right, reverse rocking chair, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover facing 10:30, back, sweep your left, behind, quarter right, forward facing 1:30. 1/8 to your right, step left to the side, sway to your left, right. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Section 4, side, behind, side, cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, rock back, recover, 3/4 to your left, quarter left, back, half turn left, forward, sweep your right, facing 6, cross shuffle. Section 5, half box, turn right. Quarter right, stepping back, quarter right, stepping forward, facing 12, nightclub basic, side, behind, cross, side, behind, rounded, hit your right, behind, side, cross, shuffle. Last section, half box, turn right. Quarter right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward, facing 6, side, rock back, recover, step right foot forward, make a spiral foot turn to your left, step left foot forward, right foot, rock forward, recover, back together. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. In the stance, there's a restart on wall 5. You will dance 32 and count, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. This is the end of 32 and count. Now restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.